What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am sorry that I've been absent for the past couple of days, but here we are again, and look at this beautiful chart. Most of you guys know that I have covered Jasmy coin quite a bit on the channel. We've looked at Jasmy for quite a bit throughout the past couple of years on this channel, and lots of people, I believe, have subscribed to this channel because of my Jasmy coin technical analysis and my Jasmy coin price prediction videos. So in this video, it's just going to be a super quick update on Jasmy coin. Hope you guys enjoy this. If so, please don't forget to smash and destroy the like button, and of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe and help us grow. Help us get remonetized. We're trying to do it the right way this time. We're going to try not to be bad, and we're going to try to be good and follow the rules and all that good jazz. So smash the likes and let's get right into the update. Also, guys, don't forget to drop some comments in the comments section and let me know what you think about some other coins that are on your mind. I would love to hear about them. Definitely some new coins. If I haven't heard of them, please let me know about them, and maybe I'll start covering some of them too as well. Now with Jasmy coin, let's look at this chart, because this is the weekly time frame for Jasmy coin. I've been on the weekly charts here lately trying to determine what's going on and if this is a bullish indicator here that we're breaking out of this long-term channel. So let's talk about the channel first, and then we'll zoom in a little bit on some of this price action up here. So first of all, the channel, guys, if you look, these two weekly candles back here, I haven't got it adjusted all the way down to where they both touch there, but both of those kind of connect, and it lines up perfectly with what's going on over here, where we actually broke out and kept going up instead of getting rejected there. And so that's why I kind of have this channel set in, not to mention the fact that the channel does line up perfectly with all of this support down here. So you can see that all this support makes perfect sense. So that line is absolutely confirmed. And then we have this right here, where we did actually, when we zoom in a little bit, we actually bounced off of this pretty nicely right there with that red candle. We bounced off of that beautifully right there with this resistance line, previous resistance. And so what I'm looking at now, guys, we're going to zoom in on this area. I just wanted to point out the fact that Jasmy has actually broken a long-term downtrend, in my opinion. I mean, this would have been right here where this giant weekly green candle busted through the ceiling of that line right there. That would have actually been my go-to area for rejection. So if this was not a bull market, then I would have expected us to fall back down from there pretty heavily, as that would have been our major long-term downtrend resistance level. But it looks like Jasmy is holding beautifully at 2 cents right now. And one big indication here is this beautiful indicator that I like to use so much. If you've been on the channel a while, you know about this indicator. It's this band indicator here with that purple kind of shade in the middle. And what's it doing right now, guys? It is flipping bullish. So on the weekly, it's taken us this long just for this indicator to show up, right? And then once it did show up, you can see we were still in the red. But after this beautiful green weekly candle right there, it shot us up above the indicator, and we held support on the top of the indicator as it started to flip and turn bullish into the green. So this is a very good sign, in my opinion, on the weekly for Jasmy coin. If Jasmy coin can hold this and the crypto market as a whole doesn't start to trickle back down, even I'm going to give you an idea of what I believe. Sorry about those. I have not upgraded my I let my subscription to TradingView run out. I gotta get that taken care of. But so for now, there might be some ads popping up. Bear with me on that. But what I'm going to look at first is if Bitcoin starts to fall, if the market starts to fall some more, if there's one last little shakeout or bear trap or what have you, then I'm going to be looking at this level right down here for support for Jasmy coin. Now, if you look, this is going to line up perfectly with another area to retest for support as well. And so let's just go ahead and put a line in there. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put a line in about right here, as this is going to line up perfectly with everything that I'm talking about. So if you look and we can even extend it on back. But if you look, this line lines up perfectly with our previous resistance right here. It even lines up perfectly with this previous support from back here where we broke down. So we lost our support back here, broke down, it became resistance, right? It became resistance. We regained or broke through that resistance, but we have not came back down on the weekly to test it for support yet. And what's interesting to me is we have a little bit of confluence here with the fact that the downtrend resistance line, as well as this previous resistance line here, is lining up for a beautiful retest. Okay, so that's what I'm getting at. The possibility of a retest if we start to slip back to the downside. I would not be too concerned, even if I've seen Jasmy coin come all the way down to retest this at about 0.0076, 0.0078 to 0.008. Okay, I fully believe that even if Jasmy coin were to retrace back down to this, it would simply be a beautiful retest of previous resistance. And if we confirm support right there on that previous resistance, we have two different resistance lines that we could confirm support on. If that happens, then I would expect Jasmy coin to bounce absolutely beautifully off of this, and I would expect to see Jasmy coin run off of that. So you got the bearish retest target there for Jasmy coin. Let's quickly talk about what could happen if we broke out of this long-term downwards channel. Well, excuse me, we've already broken out of it, but where could the price of Jasmy coin possibly go if this does hold here and we continue higher? So let's just think about that for a second and get you guys kind of excited here. Okay, so if we were to hold this breakout, maybe get a bearish retest to confirm support and then blast off, we're looking at coming up to my already placed trend lines up here, these red lines, which would be the next level to me, and we're looking at about 8 to 12 cents. Okay, so from the current price, or even if you were to buy the dip, if we did continue to dip here, you know, then that's beautiful. Even at the current price, that is beautiful. From 2 to 8 to 12 cents, almost about a 10-cent jump in price, guys. So just remember that this is not financial advice, just my opinion on what I'm looking at in these charts. I don't know if anybody else is noticing this, or maybe I'm just crazy, and maybe I'm just super bullish on Jasmy coin. If you're bullish on Jasmy coin, smash the likes and drop a comment and let me know why. But I do think this looks beautiful. I think it's a beautiful setup. I think the main thing is the fact that this candle right here on the weekly blasted through this downtrend, and you've been holding support on the indicator. The only thing is, I do notice that on the weekly we're below the LSMA, and we're still perched up on top of this indicator. If we lose that indicator, so if we were to lose that indicator, that's where I would be looking for that bearish retest, right? So if this indicator does not hold and we start to go below it and we come back up, get rejected by it, that's when I would be expecting this bearish retest for support. And guys, that's my opinion on Jasmy coin. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you